In this video, I will help you find the best indoor drones in 2023. Links to all the products we mentioned in this video will be listed in the description. Let's get started. Number 5. Potensic Firefly A20. The A20 isn't just your average mini drone. It's a pocket-sized powerhouse that demands attention in a crowded marketplace. What sets it apart? Well, for starters, it boasts exceptional build quality, thanks to those robust propeller guards that exude confidence. But it's not just about toughness. The A20 also excels in the simplicity department, making it a standout choice in terms of both design and ease of use. Say goodbye to those perplexing controllers with an array of bewildering push buttons for calibration. The Potensic A20 takes a more elegant approach with just 2 thumbstick controls and a set of shoulder buttons that effortlessly handle camera operations and speed mode adjustments. For beginners taking their first flight, the A20 has some nifty features up its sleeve. The altitude hold feature eliminates the need for constant throttle adjustments to stay airborne, while the headless mode ensures you don't have to fret over the drone's orientation. Plus, there's the convenience of automatic landing and a trusty red LED at the rear that starts flashing when the battery is running low. A clear signal to find that perfect landing spot. Now, if you're to level up your drone game, consider the A30W or the P7, which come equipped with a snazzy 720p camera. The A20 may be the entry-level option, but it's a gateway to a world of drone adventures that can only get better with Potensic. Number 4. Force 1 Scoot LED. Ditching the conventional joystick-controlled drones, this little marvel takes flight with a touch of magic, responding to your hand gestures from within its secure, protective shell. This ingenious twist eliminates any complexity and ensures your fingers remain out of harm's way, making it an absolute delight for kids and the young at heart. To send this drone soaring into the sky, all you have to do is give it a gentle toss, and the powerful motors will roar to life. As it gracefully hovers, it gracefully pirouettes in the air. Thanks to its 2 infrared sensors strategically positioned on opposite sides, it deftly senses and evades your palm's touch. It not only holds its altitude with ease, but also features a bottom-facing IR sensor that lets you nudge it upward by simply waving your hand beneath it. And if it ever comes too close to an obstacle, its motion sensor promptly cuts the power, with a protective cage absorbing any impact. Its simplicity at its finest, and it doesn't stop there. If you manage to position your hands near both sensors, it might even surprise you with an acrobatic flip. In terms of physical interaction, you'll only need to toggle the on and off switch at the bottom and connect it to the small charging port. The cage strikes a perfect balance between flexibility and sturdiness, and the packaging and manual are top-notch. Among the various versions offered by Scoot, the one adorned with UFO-like LEDs steals the spotlight. Admittedly, there's no camera for honing your aerial photography skills, but trust us, the sheer fun it brings more than makes up for it. Number 3. Ryze Tello. Step into the world of drones with our top pick, a true consumer-grade marvel that doesn't compromise on quality. From its sleek packaging to the reassuringly safe batteries, it's clear that this drone means business. And the best part? It's packed with features that are sure to leave you in awe. While it might come with a slightly higher price tag, rest assured you're getting your money's worth, and then some. With some cutting-edge Intel and DJI technology under the hood, this drone boasts features like downward-facing sensors for rock-solid stability during hovering and effortless auto-landing, not to mention its uncanny ability to bounce back from encounters with walls. Your journey begins by zipping it around your home, using the FPV video feed on your phone screen. Impress your friends and family with gravity-defying flips and stunts, but that's just scratching the surface of its capabilities. Capture stunning 5-megapixel stills and video footage via the app, all from the same camera that provides your in-flight view. Thanks to advanced digital stabilization, your videos will outshine anything in its price range. Plus, with a visual block-based programming tool Scratch, you can venture into the exciting world of programmed flight. Whether you're a seasoned techie or just starting out, Scratch is as easy to learn as it is rewarding, making it perfect for enthusiasts and budding pilots alike. So, are you ready to take off on your drone adventure? Number 2. Holytone HS330. Drawing inspiration from professional brands and playful gadgets, this drone goes beyond the ordinary with an array of exciting features. Expect the classic 3D flips and headless mode, but brace yourself for more. Thanks to the incorporation of 5 sensors, this drone responds to the subtle gestures. Wave your hand and near it, and watch as it gracefully retreats. Not only does this offer an element of safety, but it also showcases its impressive responsiveness. Additionally, it's worth noting that the propeller guards on the drone outshine many others on the market, enhancing its overall safety. But wait, there's more. Dive into the world of creativity with the circle mode, where the drone effortlessly traces small circles in the sky. Tailor your experience with a choice of 3 speed modes, catering to both beginners and seasoned pilots. And let's not forget the ingenious battery design, making insertion and removal a breeze, all without subjecting delicate cables or lithium battery cells to undue stress. This drone isn't just another option, it's an engaging and feature-packed choice that promises excitement and ease in equal measure. Number 1. Simrex X300C Mini Drone. This is a pocket-sized powerhouse that blends the simplicity of a basic drone with an abundance of sheer fun. Prepare to be dazzled by its acrobatic flips and rolls, with its ingenious control pad featuring sliding sticks and user-friendly arrow buttons. Calibrating the drone's hover becomes a breeze. We strongly recommend keeping the propeller guards on, allowing this agile marvel to gracefully bounce off walls without breaking a sweat. What sets the Simrex X300C apart is that it accomplishes all it without requiring a smartphone, making it an ideal choice for kids. However, when you decide to harness the power of Wi-Fi, you gain access to a fantastic 1920 to 1080 camera with an expansive 110 degrees field of view. And here's the icing on the cake. Once you've gracefully touched down, holding down holds the props, mimicking the behavior of much pricier drones. It's these thoughtful touches that make the Simrex X300C the ultimate first drone experience. Now, this is the end of our video. Thank you for watching and sticking around until the end. If you found our video to be helpful, just simply click the subscribe button and join our channel for future videos. Also, don't forget commenting if you have any questions or suggestions like for the future videos. Alright, I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.